Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And as I told you before that the next video will be about my house tour. So today I'm going to give you my house tour, friends, in this video. And basically you can see the house behind me. I am staying in this house and I have my basement room is there. I rented a basement room, so I'm going to give you a full tour of this house. You can see behind me, friends, and I will also going to show you my room today. And we are having a backyard also. That is backyard is very beautiful, so I'm going to give you the tour of that backyard also. And I think no one is there in the house right now, so it is really good to show you full house, because we are living different people from different community, different countries. One person is from Nigeria, some are from the Italian guys are there, yeah, and one is from the Pakistan also. South Indian friend is there, so we are from different communities. So I think no one is at home right now, and I don't want to disturb anyone, so because all the people are so busy. Two people are doing MBA over here, so they are also really busy, but right now no one is at the home. So let me give you a room tour, friends. It will be really good experience for you, and I'm also going to share the price that I'm paying for per month. So you will get some ideas if some of the people coming from India are planning to stay separate, and they want a privacy. So if they need this kind of room, so this video will be helpful for them. The atmosphere is really windy. Let's go inside and I'm going to give you a tour of my house. So this is the main entrance, and yeah, let's go inside. And let me show you first is our main hall. Let me close the door. Yeah, we are having this kind of stickers everywhere. There is no outdoor shows. So let me close the door. And yeah, so this is basically, as you enter the house, this is basically a main hall over here. You can see we are having a sofas, we are having a table, we are having this table also. We can sit over here and we can eat. We are having this platform, we can put TV over here. We are also having a TV inside, but we never set up a TV because no one is interested in TV nowadays. I don't know why. People are watching all the shows on their mobile phones only, right? So we don't have TV over here right now, but TV is in the TV is there, but we never set it up. Okay, so this is basically a main hall, and it is really cool, so good, and it's really calm and silent. You can work by sitting over here. You can eat your food also. I think I should start my back camera so that you can see a very well view of this room. So let me give you, okay, I think I should on the lights also so that you guys can see very well. Okay, so this is basically the main hall, and yeah, it's good, clean and really good. Windows are there, we can open the windows also, and the view is also really good outside. See, you can see over from here, and it's really good. Yeah, so this is mainly the main hall of our this house, and we all are sharing this together, all the people, right? Okay, let me on this light. Yeah, so you can see as we enter in the house, we are having this. We have to remove our outdoor shows over here. Yeah, so this is main hall. We have to remove outdoor shoes over here. There are 1, 2, 3. 3 rooms are over here, and there is a washroom for them. I am staying in the basement, so I'm going to show you that area only. But basically there are 3 rooms here, and 1 washroom is over here. So there are 3 rooms, mean 3 people are sharing this washroom, and we all are sharing this main hall, and we all are sharing this kitchen. As you enter from here, you will have a kitchen over here, and let me on the light of the kitchen. Yeah, so kitchen is basically you can see over here, it's very good, clean. Yeah, so we have all these things over here. You can see it's very clean and calm. You can see over here we are having an oven, we are having the stove, we are having a ventilation, and in this area is very cool. This is my we are sharing all these cupboards. Like over here also there are many on the top also, or this side also on the top. So we all are having one cupboard, so we are putting our stuffs in that. This is mine, so I'm taking this, and my stuffs are in this cupboard, right? Okay, so over here there is a fridge. This fridge is for those people who are staying on the main floor only, because we are having another fridge in the basement. The people who are staying in the basement, they are using that fridge, right? And this is the cleaning area. It's really good, clean, and we need to keep it clean also, right? Because we are living together and no one like a messy things, right? So dirty चीजें ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है, so हम लोग भी इसे क्लीन रखने का ट्राई करते हैं, और ऑनर भी हमें ये करने के लिए हमेशा कहता रहता है. और यहाँ पे बेसिकली डिश वॉशर है जो मैंने आज तक कभी भी यूज़ नहीं किया. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, एंड माय फ्रेंड्स आल्सो नेवर यूज्ड दैट. ओके, एंड एक कुछ एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ें रखने के लिए यहाँ पर है. अगर इफ़ यू हैव एनी एक्स्ट्रा स्टफ्स देन यू कैन पुट इट ओवर हियर, क्लीनिंग स्टफ्स एंड एवरीथिंग. So let me off this light, okay, and from here you can go to the basement. So yeah, let's go to the basement, and this door is for the backyard. I will show you this area after showing the basement part. So for basement we have to put this downside, yeah, and once you come here, yeah, this is one room over here, and that is a this is one room over here, and that is a washroom over there. I will show you washroom also. One more room is over here also, one more room is over here also, and one more room is here, and this is my room. So basically here 4 rooms are there in the basement. So 4 persons are sharing all the stuffs in the basement, including that washroom and this fridge. And we are having a laundry also over here in the basement. This is one extra room over here for the laundry, right? So let me on the light so that you can see. Yeah, this is one extra room over here for the laundry and extra stuffs like heating and air conditioning, right? So all the stuffs are over here. Wi-Fi is also there, router is also there on the top. So it is a little bit messy, actually it's more messy. And there is a bicycle is over there, and that bicycle belongs to me. I bought this bicycle from the person who is staying over here, and he went to the Toronto, so I bought this bicycle from him. $20, so it is a really good and cheap bicycle I got, and it's really good now, right? So basically let me show you the laundry. So as you go in this, it's really messy over here. So this is the machine. We don't have to put any coins over here. It's really completely free, and we all members are sharing, all the members, right? 4 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are 7 members sharing this whole house, including main floor, kitchen, and this laundry section, right? So this is washing machine, and this is the dryer over here, right? So these things we are sharing, and this is my bicycle. So let me off the light over here and close this door, okay? Yeah, so, and this is the fridge over here. I don't know what is inside that, because a lot of people are sharing, so कुछ भी अंदर से निकल सकता है, vegetarian, non-vegetarian kind of a thing. So you have to adjust in this kind of an environment, right? Okay, now so as I told you, we are having a TV, but no one is using it, so it is just over here all the time. We are not at all using this. So now basically I am going to show you my room, okay? So let's see. Actually this is the biggest room, and the second biggest room is mine over here in this room, in this whole house. So let's go to the room, okay? Yeah, so this is my room. Welcome guys. And yeah, I try to keep it clean as much as I can. So basically this is whole my room. Yeah, actually I have a lot of stuffs over here, and yeah, this is a really good room in the basement, but still I am having a really good experience. You can see a little window over there and little window over there, but it's a really good room, right? So basically in my room, as you enter, you can see that I am having this sofa chair, and that thing, one table is there, another big table is there. I am having 2 table lamps over there. I am having my bed over here, right? I am having this section over here. I am having a very big mirror, including this all the drawers I have that I am using, right? And one more thing I have is this. Right, so this I put my all the clothes over here in this section. Basically it is a little messy. My bags are over there, my shoes are over there, extra pillow is over there, and my blanket is over there, and all of my clothes are over there because there are too many clothes and it's really small for me, so I'm just adjusting somehow, right? Yeah, so basically these things I have, but this room is really good. There is a for heating and air conditioning, this pot is over there. I can adjust it as I want, right? Because the central air conditioning and heating is over here, right? So basically the room is really good. I have some stuffs from the university map is over there, and some magazines over there, some newspapers are over there, and yeah, my laptop is over there. So a lot of good things. The chair is good over here, and I'm having 2 chairs, 1 sofa chair, and it's a ventilation is also good over here, so you can stay in this kind of basement room. And yeah, this room is really good, but I'm going to shift in 10 to 15 days to the apartment room, and I'm really gonna miss this room. I'm staying alone over here, and this room is really good, believe me friends. But the rent is really high, because the rent of this room is around $450 per month, and it is really expensive for me. I'm going to spend 4 months over here, right? I have already spent 3.5 months now. 15 days remains, so I'm going to leave this room. I'm going to leave this house. This is a really cool house, and I am having a lot of good memories from this house. And yeah, this is really good, but the price is so high, and I cannot spend this much money from now because I have to save a lot. But from the starting, as I come here, I don't know anyone. I never contacted any person. I am on my own only. So I made a lease with this house owner for 4 months, and I enjoyed my 4 months over here, and with different people and different countries people. So it is a really good experience for me, right? And I learned a lot how to adjust with them, because I am a pure vegetarian, and it's really difficult for me, but I learned a lot of things over here, right? And different people's living here, they also do a drink and all the kind of stuff, smoking and drinking kind of things. I don't do anything in that, so I just somehow adjust with those people also over here. So it is basically a really good experience for me. Now this is my house, and I think only one thing remains to show you, that basement, that is backyard. Yeah, backyard. So, and yeah, of course the washroom. I forgot to show you the washroom we are having. Yeah, so this is the washroom that we are having, lighting on the lights. It is also really clean, neat and clean, and it's really small, and we are having a shower over here, right? So basically this is also a really good, and ventilation is good, and this is really neat and clean, and we should have to maintain like this only, right? So yeah, let me off the light. So it's basically a good house. You have to spend $450 per month if you want to live in this kind of houses with different kind of people. And let me show you the backyard now. So let's go to the backyard. Yeah, so this is the really good things that I love over here. We are having the tables and chairs. There are the days when we sat over here and we have our lunch. We had our lunch and dinner, and you can see the greenery over here. The atmosphere is really good, and we can enjoy over here. We can even play some sport stuffs over here, like table tennis and everything, right? Not table tennis, tennis only, right? So it's really good, and the neighborhood is really like quiet and silent, and atmosphere is really good. So silent here, so it's a really good experience to live here. And see, our backyard is really cool, right? Sometimes all the people are sitting over here and talking with each other, and it's a really good experience with the different communities people, right? So I enjoyed a lot, and greenery is really good. I have made few videos by sitting on this grass and lawn, right? So it's a really good. And this is the house that I spent 4 months right? And I'm going to move now in the apartment, so I'm going to give you the tour of that apartment also, and how much I'm going to spend for that apartment, and how much money I'm going to save after moving from this house to the apartment house. That also I'm going to share you in the next video as soon as I move to the apartment house. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos, and I hope you guys enjoy the tour of this house. And if you have any question, then please do mention in the comment section below. And I think that's it for today in this video, friends. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and the people who are coming to the Regina, I hope this video will be helpful for them. And this is Rams. Thanks for watching the video, friends, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye, friends.